name is Yvonne Ben-Kane, and I will be your pilot for the Grand Durbar of the 62nd Ghana Independence Celebration in Finland here, and it's organized by the Ghana Union. Come one, come all. Come share our experience, share our culture, share our history. We're talking about food, good food, network with people, our fashion, our colors, our excitement. You have to be there. And yes, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna chauffeur you guys through this whole program with ease. I am your pilot, signing out.